Breathe with your belly. Most runners are chest breathers, not belly breathers. Belly breathing maximizes the horsepower of the diaphragm, which is the strongest breathing muscle you have. Every time you breathe in, your belly should fill up like a balloon. Every time you breathe out, that balloon should deflate. Open your mouth. Coaches have been telling athletes for years to breathe in through their nose and out through their mouth. However, your mouth has a greater ability to take in oxygen. It's time to put this myth to rest and start breathing in and out with our mouths. Additionally, keeping your mouth open keeps your face more relaxed, which makes it easier to breathe deeply.